What is going on, fam? Welcome to another rainy, chilly day in Germany. Today we are going to be changing out the tires on the C5, getting ready for spring prep, and all of that comes with it. But before we hop into that, we actually need to I guess play on the old tires a little bit, you know, since they're no good and cracked up. So we gonna get into that right quick. Going for that cold start. Well, I hope y'all like my, we're gonna call it a celebration of new tires. So as you can see, the vet is on the lift already. So we're gonna talk about what new tires I'm running, what tires I was running, and why I went with what tires I did. So we'll start off with what I was running. So these are the Federal 595 RSRRs. So these are a 200 tread wear tire. Also like these 595 RS Pros, they're both 200 tread wears. They're both the same exact size, 275, 35, 18s. But and hopefully y'all be able to see this on camera. Stop rolling for me, baby girl. Just chill out, chill out. There you go. The new tires look a bit wider than the old tires, and Federals are known to run a bit wider. And actually, I saw in another video, and when they measured out these tires, the Federal 595 RS Pros were actually between 295 and 285, somewhere in there. So let's just talk about what the differences are in these tires. So first off, just looking at the tread block of the double Rs, you see that this is like the tread pattern is a lot more aggressive, and it has a lot more aggressive swoops. But what that led to was a lot more road noise in the tire, and that was a common complaint. These literally sounded like swamp, you know, like mutters going down the road. There was a constant, a constant hum going down the road. So these have been said to very much improve it. These are supposed to be a lot better in the wet. These have big tread side blocks going through, and it's even all the way around. If you look at these, they don't have as big of the side blocks as these tires do. This is Federal's new compound, and people seem to like them so far. So I'm super excited to run these to compare them to these. Unfortunately, I never got to track these tires because of her being down. No big deal, but I'm definitely gonna get y'all a street review on these tires, and I'm gonna get y'all a track review on these tires. So I'm gonna continue this view. Well, I'm gonna continue this video with those impressions also. But let's see if we can find a ruler and measure. All right, so I found a little wooden ruler. This one is in centimeters, so we're gonna get a measurement. So if you look here, hopefully y'all can see that. This tire is about 26 millimeters long, not counting the stretched sidewalls. And if you come over here to the new Pros, these ones are between 27 and 28 millimeters, which my camera might not be catching it right because of the wide angle, but they're definitely larger than the RSRs. It is not just visual trickery there. So there's the science behind it, the ruler. So we're gonna go ahead and get these mounted on my wheels. And I'm running a square setup, and for you guys who don't know or who are new to the channel. All right, look, check it out. If y'all haven't subscribed by now, please go ahead and hit that like and that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell also. Got a lot of dope content coming y'all way. Y'all gonna wanna be here for it. So we're gonna go ahead and get these all mounted, and I'll see you on the street review. All right, y'all, hopefully you'll be able to see this. So this is the double R mounted. and this is the Pro mounted. So if you look at the sidewall on the double R, it's somewhat stretched. I hope y'all can see that, right? Like the sidewall does not protrude over the lip of the wheel. Now, if you look at the Pro sidewall protrudes over the lip of the wheel. And so what that lets you know is, even though these are the same size tire and they're made by the same company, the Pro is wider than the 595 RR. So what that means is more grip, more traction, less noise, better turn in and everything from a stiffer construction. So these have definitely proceeded the RRs in all measures. And I think they're still the same price, if I'm not mistaken. These might be a few dollars more expensive per tire than the RRs. So yeah, it's good info. Yeah, what's going on, fam? So we are going to start. Well, we got the Pros on the road. We're gonna put it that way. And first thing you notice, I'm doing 60 right now. Stuck in a little bit of traffic, but doing 60, like no road noise. Compared to the RS double Rs, like these things are quiet as a church mouse. You don't feel like you got a monster truck following you everywhere you go anymore. Like, this feels great. Like, these feel really, really good. And I like that a lot. Let me see. So I just got done actually doing a review on this car. And I was just like filling out the grip levels on the street, and honestly I was impressed. I was blown away. Just straight out of the box. Oh shoot, there's goddamn cows over here. Damn cows looking at me like I'm crazy. Nah, but yeah. Square on the vet, as you know. Ooh, that backfire sound good. Sound real good. Woo. Like the grip is really good, actually. I mean, obviously, you know, I just gave it like all the juice at first, so they broke free. But the tires, what I'm noticing, are they're very linear in the way, you know, they break away. So you're able to play with the tire actually on the street, you know, like even like just going 7/10 on the street, I was able to control what the tires were doing. Like if I went a little bit of entry oversteer, you know, I could like give it a come off base, which really, really dope. You know, I got to do a car. You know, I got to do a review of the car, and then clean E92 M3 this fast. But yeah, so I got to do a review of the car, and then I got to get a feel of the tires also. So happy about that. Tires put down power pretty good. I'm not gonna even stop, man. I'm stoked to see them on track. Stoked. Oh, I'm gonna give it a gas. Super excited to get these on track. If y'all want to see how they handle more, check out the review I did on my C5 Z06. I touched on the tires for a little bit in the video, but it wasn't centered around the video. But you can see the type of G's I was pulling in my car. My car puts down around 400 wheel, so even with the 275, it puts it down pretty well. It gets moving, so yeah, man. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video here, because if I wait to do the track review along with this video, I just have no clue how long it will take. So yeah, just one of those things, man. Coronavirus, it definitely got in the way a bit, but it's all right. You know, it's life. But I just want to continue to bring you guys content. So I hope y'all enjoyed. If you did, please do like and subscribe. I'm gonna continue to pump out videos for y'all because I know y'all want to see the stuff, man. You know, we all trapped at home, right? So, fireballs! Enough fun today. All right, y'all, take it easy. I'm out.